How to use multiple Roblox account at the same time or play multiple account at the same time. In this video I will guide you through how can you do this. First, open Play Store and search Dual Cloner. Now install this app from here. After installation, open the app. Now here tap on this plus icon and find the Roblox from here and tap on it. I already added one before and create an account to make the video small. Now you can use both of these accounts at the same time. Let's use these apps at the same time. Follow the video. If I want to play 3 accounts at the same time, I can also on this. For now I am using this 2 accounts. Here as you can see, I can play both of these accounts. That's how you can use multiple accounts at the same time. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.